Good morning. Welcome back to Twisted Nature. My name is Noah McGalliard, and here's your weather update for Monday, May 12th, 2025. We're tracking both severe storms and the potential for significant flooding in parts of the country today. We are going to be looking at the severe weather outlook first. There's a chance of a few isolated severe thunderstorms today across parts of the southeast from eastern Alabama and Georgia into the Carolinas, where damaging winds, hail, and even a brief tornado or two are possible. Further south, parts of Florida could see some stronger storms if the atmosphere can recover from the earlier rain that we have today. Up in the northern plains from northeast Montana into northwest North Dakota, a few storms may produce a strong wind gust by this evening, mainly from dry microburst behind a passing front. We'll go over all of that here in just a few moments. Taking a look at what model guidance is showing for today, what's in store for the day today, you can see really watching a few areas up here near the Montana, North Dakota area and down here across the southeast. You're going to continue to see storms and showers with that low pressure system that is moving onshore there in the Gulf Coast area that we'll continue to watch closely, but really going to be watching for a small tornado threat, very low end tornado threat, if the atmosphere can recover across the southeast down here in those portions of those general areas. Maybe even some small hail, some gusty winds will be possible, and also watching that gusty wind potential up there across the Montana and North Dakota area in that small area later this evening. But really going to continue to see storms throughout the day across the southeast. We're going to continue to watch that closely, and up there near Montana, you may have a storm or two that may try to get going there as well. Also, outside of that flash flooding potential, you do have, or that severe weather potential, you do have a flash flooding potential there across the area. Taking a look at the hydraulic outlook, you can see there is that potential for some excessive rainfall, the moderate risk over the Miami area, where some areas could see up to 3 to 7 inches of rainfall, with rainfall rates of up to 2 inches per hour likely there, and that slight risk for flash flooding goes further north into portions of Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and the Virginia areas there, the Appalachia Mountains area. On top of that, we also have a wildfire danger that we're going to be keeping a very close eye on, or just fire weather danger as well. First area that we're going to be watching is up here in the Fargo, North Dakota, Minnesota, down to South Dakota, northern portions of Nebraska, and portions of Iowa. And then you have that critical and then elevated wildfire risk down here across the southeastern corner of Arizona and southwestern portion of New Mexico. You do have that elevated wildfire risk that we're going to be keeping a close eye on closely. As always, make sure to check out your local pages, your local meteorologist for more rapid weather changing information. Just a quick overview of what's in store for the rest of this of today. And then also we're watching the end of this week closely, where we could have our next big weather maker in terms of severe weather, but we'll continue to keep you updated. As always, have a good rest of your Monday. See you back here tomorrow with another look at what's in store for your daily weather.